Hello, you've reached Demo Plumbing. I'm Jess, a digital assistant. You're on a recorded call. How can I help?
Hey, my basement's flooding.
Okay, that's urgent. We'll get someone to you. What's the property address?
123 Main Street.
Got it. 123 Main Street. And your first name?
Henrik.
Thanks, Henrik. Is this the best number to reach you on?
Yep.
Perfect. Do you know if the water's shut off at the main right now?
No, I didn't know. I don't know where to find it.
No problem. It's usually at the front of the house, often in the basement, and has a meter. If it's spinning fast, that means water's running. If you can, try to find it and turn the valve to the right to shut it off while I contact our plumber to get back to you in less than 5 minutes. Is there anything else you want to mention about the flooding?
Hey, how much would it cost to for one of you guys to come out?
For emergencies like flooding, the call out is $600 outside of regular hours and $300 during working hours. The plumber will give you an exact quote for repairs after seeing the situation. Is that okay?
Yeah, sounds good. All right, see you soon. Amazing. So that wasn't a human, that wasn't an AI speaking. And what this means is for your business, it's going to be able to pick up more calls for you. How many more leads and how much more money can you make when something like this picks up for your business? And it's actually trained on everything and it's intelligent and responds nicely, just how we did in that call. So let's say just one lead a month were to be missed due to emergency calls. And your average, let's say, cost of an emergency call out is about $2,000. Then if you have five of those a month, and we know that we can get you at least a minimum of five, you're going to make at least an extra 10K a month from that. And that's just talking about emergency calls. It's not talking about the average routine job, right? And then once the call finishes, what we can do is send over the info to Slack, WhatsApp, email, SMS. We can send off the information, tag the call as emergency to your CRM, or we can just transfer it directly to a live person if it is inside working hours. I'm actually going to show you how to set up like the foundational version of this right now. So you can get started on this for your business if you'd like to. So what you do need is this platform right here. It's called Retail AI. So you're going to create an account, you're going to log in, and it's going to look more or less like this screen. You're going to have this empty here because you don't have an AI voice agent working for you yet. But easy fix, you're going to jump down into the description just below this video. You're going to click on my Gumroad link and download the demo plumbing YouTube thing that I have right there. Then you're going to click on, once you've downloaded that, you'll click on import and you'll drag and drop the file that you just downloaded for the AI agent template. Once you've imported it, it'll open and you'll end up with something that looks like this. You're going to have a bunch of words within this area, and you're going to have this thing in here called the welcome message. You can, for example, change the name of the AI agent. So for example, here we have you are Jess. You can change the name completely. Here in the first message, we say, hello, you've reached Demo Plumbing. Obviously change this to your business name. Then you can change the name of the AI agent. So we usually say, hello, you've reached X business. I'm Jess, a digital assistant. You are on a recorded call. How can I help? And I love having this because it, A, lets them know that it's an AI, and two, so you're on a recorded call. I just love being transparent about the fact that it is. And then we just jump into the prompt. Now, the prompt is actually, you can think of it as the thing that controls the brain. So it's going to decide what to say, how to say it, when to say it. Is one of the most important aspects of building this whole system for your business. Or you can try and just reuse the prompt that I have already in here. You might just have to come in here, read it, and fix up a few little things that don't work for your own use case. But anyway, the functions are one of the cool things to know about is that you can end the call. You can also set up call transfers. You can set up in this agent level webhook URL, you can send notifications from here, you can send notifications to WhatsApp, Slack, your CRM, and whatever else, so that your team can follow up with people as soon as they get notified of the like hot leads or anyone who's calling in through. For this one here, I would recommend really using a knowledge base. If you have like 10 or 15 FAQs, I would just throw them directly into the prompt. And I'll show you right now how that's going to look like. So in here, you're just going to type in the little hashtag, and type in FAQs, press enter. and then have something like Q&A pairs. So for example, question would be, um, what time are you? So one of the FAQs could be, what time are you guys open? We're open every day, 24/7. And that will be one of the answers that it has. And if you guys want to test whether it's actually going to respond with this, you're going to click on the test LLM, click on here, and just go open. And this will, whatever it says here in text basis, that's how it's actually going to respond using its voice. So we're open every day, 24/7. Is there a plumbing issue that I can help with? I'm going to leave that there. If you have any questions about anything that I spoke about today, you're welcome to book. Just below this video, there is a link to my calendar. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.